Marcus Pfister's beloved children's classic, The Rainbow Fish, the title character learns the value of sharing and the happiness that it brings when he shares his beautiful shiny scales with his other plainer fish friends. Fortunately for your rainbow fish, you won't have to share it all in today's craft. We are going to make a very simple rainbow fish craft together using a paper fish, cupcake holders, sparkly gems for his shiny scales, a googly eye so he can see, and a glue stick. So let me show you how it's done. It's really pretty easy and it's very fun. So first of all, you're going to start by taking what are going to be the rainbow fish's scales, your cupcake holders, and you're going to flatten them down on the table like so, and you're going to sort of just flatten them until they're like a hot dog bun, sort of like this, if you can see right there. And then you're going to take your glue stick and you're going to apply a nice heavy layer of glue on the back of your scale. And make sure you get it nice and covered there, otherwise it'll start sticking up in places where you haven't glued it down. So you will pat down your scale right here, and you don't have to follow me exactly with what I'm doing. You can put the scales wherever you'd like. You can do any pattern you'd like. Make sure to get creative. This is your rainbow fish and he's one of a kind. So we're going to do another scale right here. And you'll just repeat this process with all 7 of your cupcake wrappers until all of them have been glued onto your rainbow fish's body. And there's a nice assortment because in the book, the rainbow fish had beautiful multicolored scales. Even the ones that weren't shiny were pretty, and I think these are very pretty. And like I said, make sure you do whatever pattern you want to do. This is your craft, your activity, and all up to you. So let's see here. Going to make sure we get a nice green in there. I like a pretty green, but you know, I don't think the rainbow fish would last very long in real life because most fish have camouflage to blend in. So either the rainbow fish would need to find a very safe bed of coral that matches his colors, or the rainbow fish would be a predator himself. Maybe he could be a rainbow shark. I'd like to see a rainbow shark. We're almost done. So we just need another minute. And don't worry if your cupcake holders aren't perfectly flat. They don't need to be. It's all about looking unique. And as long as they stick on in the end, you are okay. Like that pretty purple scale. That looks very nice. And then we have our last scale, this lovely dark blue one that I have here. And in your take and make kit, you'll get a whole variety of different colored scales. So like I said, even if you or a sibling or you and a friend makes 2 rainbow fish of your own, they'll both come out looking different. And how exciting is that? So next we're going to apply rainbow fish's sparkly scales, his little gemstones. So you're going to use your glue stick and apply some glue on the back. Make sure you apply plenty of glue. And then you stick those scales wherever you'd like. You can put somewhere on the fish where it's going to really show off the scales, or you can maybe hide them behind a cupcake wrapper scale so it's a little surprise for somebody who's looking at the fish. I like to make my gems nice and prominent on there so everybody can see how sparkly my rainbow fish is. Look at that, he's so pretty. So, I'm gonna stick those gems on, and once those are done, we're gonna make sure your rainbow fish can see. So we're going to use his eye right here. And like we did with the gemstones, we're going to apply some glue on the back, like so. And then we're going to cover up his little eye hole on his face, and we are going to give him the gift of sight. Here we go. And Of course, there might be some glue on your rainbow fish's face. That's okay, glue dries. And just let him sit still for a little bit and let everything dry. And once your rainbow fish is all done and everything is all dried out, you can also color the white patches with marker. You can use crayon. If you have glitter glue, you can use that. Really make him your own and make him fabulous, because the rainbow fish is one of a kind, he's unique, and he's very pretty. So don't be afraid to get out there and do something bold with your rainbow fish. I'm Rachel, and I hope you've had fun making a rainbow fish craft with me today.